So I just looked at my pool and the water level is extremely low. I had a plastic cover on it, so I was using a pump to pump the water off, and the next thing I knew, it looks like my pool is halfway empty. What are your thoughts?
So here's what happens all the time. In today's day and age, there's a lot more people that have safety covers, so we don't see this as much, but someone that still uses a traditional cover, either a vinyl cover or in today's day and age, the weave plastic covers, those covers are really good for a few years, and then shortly after that they get pinholes in them. And that's just from normal wear and tear. And if you held it up to the sky and looked, you'd probably see a lot of little speckles or pinholes. And the older it is, the more of those that you have. And when you throw a pump on top of it, it's going to take a long time to take that water off of the top of the cover, just by virtue of the average small pump. When we throw a trash pump in there, we pump it very rapidly. But if you have a small submersible pump and you throw it on there, it's going to take a long time. What happens is it tends to draw the water from the pool through that tarp, through all those pinholes in that tarp, and you tend to drain water out of the pool. And we see this happen all the time, where pools end up empty or pretty close to empty because there's a pump sitting on top of it. And some people leave that on all winter so that when it thaws each time they can pump some of the water off the cover. In theory, great idea. In reality, not a good idea, because drawing water that slowly out of the pool gives it time to weep up through the cover, and the weight of the cover settles down into the water, and you end up pumping water out of your pool. And short of there being a leak in the pool itself, mass majority of the time its water got sucked right through the cover, off the out into the yard or wherever you're putting it.